I can tell. So 12 January, and we start from now. Okay, so first, I start first. Okay. So first, yeah, you're right. We need to include environment IP, and then I think for the first one is structure, right? For task one, so it's the week. So we need to create a constant week. So you type const constant, and we name it week and array for one. Then global global double. We're using week, so WEIGHTS. Capital at the first, and then using array, open bracket at 4 and close. Four, and then equal. The first one is 0.15, 0.15. The next one is 0.20, and the next one is 0.30, and then the last one is 0.35, and then you need to close it using the comma or something. And then next one is we're using task limit 2. So we what? So next is task 2 structure. So not constant in structure. It's type structure STXC. Can you enter next line? No, I mean it's okay. And then we name it student because it's for student, right? Capital letter at the first, and then open bracket like the function, yeah. And then we got three variables. First is string name, and then yeah, we should add string. Then the next one is double mark, uh, capital letter at the first, And the name also Dharma Mark Marks. And for the name is also capital letter for the first. And yeah. But for the mark we're using array, so it's open bracket and then four. And then the last one is double total. Capital letter at the first. Okay. And the next one we need to what we call it. We need to think structure. Right? Initialize, yeah, initialize the array. So we need to initialize at the main, in the main. Okay, so you're right. Using student structure, so student, yeah. And then we use the name that also student, but with small capital letter, like small, just small student. Then we got five student, right? So we upgrade and put five, five, five. Not using this, using the array, five, five and eight. And then uh, equal. We need to initialize. In the open bracket and close bracket. So the first one is uh, the name. The name is Aina Faris in the bracket. Right. Okay. No. In the this one. Okay. And then open bracket and no. Open bracket again. This means for the first array. No, for the is it is one. Can you see? Open and then for the name we need to like using like initial string we need to using the dot sorry. Are you typing? Okay, you for the name we're using string, right? So we need to using the dot for initialize. Aina AINA and then a space Faris FARS. Okay, and then next one also is it is because for array, right? So we need to open the bracket again. Or you just make the bracket down for the first one. This one for the first one. And the last one, you make it like the function. So it's stable to read. Okay, no. Continue this one. And yes, still in it because still the first one, still the first array. It's okay, you know, don't need to. Yeah, it's okay. The next one is also open bracket for the because the next one is mark, right? So it's comma open bracket. Yeah, and then the first mark is 85.5, and the next one is 19.0, and the next one is 78.5, and the last one you just put it 0, and then next, yeah, total we haven't got it yet, right? So we just put 0. No, 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 outside. Yeah, so later we need to initialize first. Just put 0. What do you mean? The array here is already n. So here is another variables. Is for total. Here is for total. You just no, I mean you just type 0 and then close the bracket and then comma, and the next one is still the same. Yeah. And then the another name is Amirul Hakim. And the first mark is 88.0 or 88.0. And the next one is 76.5. And the third one is 92.0. And the last one remain the same. For the total is also, and then enter for the next one. And then the name is Siti Nu Aisha. Aish. And for the mark, the first one is 91.0, and the second one is 89.5, and the third one is 85.0. And then remind the same. Then we go into the four. The name is Muhammad Arifa. I don't know how to spell it. It's M-U, and then double M, double M, and then IRFAN, IRFAN. And then for the marks, the first one is 77.0, and the second one is 82.5. Common. And, the third one, you take it. The third one is right, but the second one is right, but the third one is 79.5. Yeah. And then the last student is Nurul, Nurul, Ejati, Ejati, double Z. And the first mark is 84.0, and then the second one is 87.0, 87.0, and then the third one is 90.5. Five. Okay. So now we change. Hmm. User? Mhm. Okay. Again. Uh, Okay, you see the question. Enter the exam mark for the student Aina Faris. So the Aina Faris for the student, all the student name is already inside the program. So we don't need to enter the name again. Okay. Plus one and five. Yeah, that's right. Okay. Okay. With the exam mark for Osama. For student, student not Lisa. Yeah. Are we using the variable, right? We're not don't correct? Full stop. We need to know which student, right? The first one or the second one. We need to know. Okay, if we put like this, yeah. Okay. No, then right. Okay. 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 At least we we need to add the end line or not? Should let's see the question. Oh, I don't think we need to add because the question is after that we need to write beside the user input is beside the this the question, right? The next one. How we just end here, enter the name and no need to input anything, not to set anything. Because we ask user to input the name, right? To input the mark, right? But we haven't set anything into the name. Ah, no, you see, let me check. One, two, three, four. It's four in the value, but we need to enter the mark for the exam, right? So exam is the four one. So with the logic of array 0, 1, 2, 3, so I think it's three. Okay. Then close. Okay. Okay. Next. Go again. Okay. Zero. Mm, four again. Okay. Maybe J is open. Okay. Doctor. Plus four. Good. Okay. We think that I can follow the way. Okay. And then Dillinger. Okay. Here. Okay. Student. I. Hotel. Okay. So now we need to, let's see the question. Now we need to output, print it, right? Print it up. So for the first, we need to print the minus minus, or we call for the property. Okay, you just type C out, and then I don't know how many we need to use it. So C out, maybe you're right. Or you hate it. Okay. And then the next one is we need to recording the table and then create account. So first we need to see out first. Okay, see out left. Just one left is enough. And then the first one, wait. I can't really see the question. Okay. And the first one is you using the set set up. We using five first, five, and then you using string name that one. So you open again, yeah, open that, and then comma, and then not no dot no dot no dot no just dot and no. No need to think. Then it's on the next one. No, just not no need the name, no need the name. Yeah, and then close. Yeah, and then the next one. Next one is then. So we set W. I think we just set 21st. So later we adjust all the thing. Next. Okay. No. Okay. And the next one also set W 20. Okay, 20. And then exercise EXER. It's okay. And then the next one is assignment. So we also use it set W. Okay, I think you can just copy the previous one. Yeah, to below. And then assignment. The next one is also set 20 and plus. just test, just test. The next one is also set 20 and test. Not extend, extend, extend. And the last one is total. I don't think you need to have the space at the beginning or at the end, at the end. The test and the exam. Also 20 is and then total. Okay, for the next one is just copy the previous one for the minus. Yeah, you paste it. Okay. And then you're using, I think we're using for loop for print out the name exercise for all the marks. Yeah, for and then open and close, open bracket and close the bracket. But and the first one we need to okay, I think you can just copy down the see out left set or something. Just copy down if and then paste it. We repair it code. Okay, and then the first one for the node, yeah, we replace it with I. So I is 0, right? So I plus 1. I plus 1. For the next one, name, right? So we're using student, student, and open array bracket, and just put I. Yeah. And the next one is exercise, right? So you can copy down the student array I. Although we can use the inner loop, but I think it's not necessary, right? So we just put dot mark one, dot mark one. Wait, dot mark 0. Dot mark. Wait, we put 0, but the mark is capital letter because we got 4, right? So the first one is 0. Mark. And then open a right bracket and put 0 in. And the next three is also just change the 0 to 1 and 3, 1 and 2 and 3. Okay, the next one is also student I dot mark, but the mark is array is not 0, it's 1. And the next one, yes, is also three. And then last one. And then for total, you just student, still the same, student dot a student, no, no, student I dot, and then you just put doctor. Student, correct one, correct I, and then point, doctor. Doctor is capital letter. And then print. So I think we need to add the end line. Okay. What? What? What I mean? Oh, I okay. Okay, it's the I think it's the end of the task again. Oh, I need to add. um, Combine now. Okay, okay. Okay, then next we check why there are some error. So I think we check first. So the initialize will for loop five students. Oh, I think here got error because we just got 4 mark, right? Okay. Then, wait. Oh, this is I think we need to add the CL because at line because when after the first student enter and we need to next one, right? So I think maybe that's it. Let me check it. Uh, Output 5. Okay. I think we still need to prepare for the table, but we can compile first. Wait, I changed the presentation. I present the full screen so we can see the compile and I screen. Okay, okay, you can compile now. What? What? No, why? There's nothing wrong. What? Where just where just what? It's still error. What's wrong? Nah, that's this. I think I know. Because we just said student I, but we don't dot anything. It's my fault, sorry. So I think we can remind the same. Okay, pardon me. But yeah, I think we, what that is, um, I plus one. And then you add here, okay, you add here student I dot name. Sorry, my fault. Name is capital letter. Okay, maybe that's it. Okay, you try to compile it. Compile it. Yeah, check. So first we enter, wait, let's check. First we enter 58. Eh, where's the, it's okay, question. Sorry. Wait. Okay. And then first we enter 58. Next one is 51. Next one is 92. And then next one is 18. 80. And then the last one is 84. 84. Wait. Why is the system out? Okay. Uh, oh, wait. I think we got function or not here? No, we got no function. Okay. Okay, that's it. Because if we got function, we need to initialize. So we got, yeah, you're right. Okay, I think we can combine again. Okay, the first one is 58. Next one is 51, 92, no. 92 is the one we combine again. Okay, okay, 58, 51, 62, 92, 80, 84. Yeah, okay, I think that's it. We check first. So our table is kind of weird. Okay, it's kind of weird. So the next one, uh, wait. What? Wait, what do you mean? Yeah. Oh, I forgot that. I think all of, yeah, I can see. Okay. Wait. So the first one is we need to set position for the all. I think for the all, and then for total, not only total but for the all. And then the table is kind of weird. So I think after exercise, this just using 15, and then here I think also using 15 is enough. And then here 15, and then um 10, I guess 15, 10. And then why our table will read a lot of space here? maybe we just use the slash n for the next one. Okay, and then for the dash dash dash, we delete some. Wait, wait. Total and then uh, yeah. So we here see no. That is for the title. Here you type after 67 left. After the left, you type fix first. Then next one is set position, and then just two. Then why? Wait, I see. Cause every time we print the table out, they will got a lot of space between them. So I think it's enough. It's enough for this thing. I think we combine first. Yes. Oh, for this. So here, uh, the first one is 20 is okay, and the third one I think we just go 15, 15, 10, 10. But for the thing you are replaying now, I think it's already enough. Wait. I haven't replayed the ZW. So first one 20, next one 15, 15, 10, 10, 10. Okay. And you can test now. You can test it now. Okay. Okay, 50, 58, 51, 92, 80, 84. Okay, let's check. Okay, I think the minus is over. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 32 or 33. Wait, I need to check. It's okay. You did it first. I need to check that. Just want to check the output, the value. How, how smart is it? Okay. 50, I forgot. 50, 58. The first one is 50. First one is 68, which, uh, and the second one is 51, 51, 92, 0, 0, 80, 84. Yeah, okay, let me check if it. Wait. Oh, this one. So the test, the name, variation, clinics, in action. This can happen. Uh, 1946. Chris assignment as a daughter. So that I identify as I can verify. I think wait, the last three I checked. Okay, that's it. We did it. We did it. Wait. We need to set the time. So now is uh 12, when we did it. So it's PM, and then duration, how much, how much, uh, 23. Oh, okay. Let's check mine. Wait, I forgot to record. Okay. Holy shit, bro. Okay, I think that's all. Thank you.